Visiting a doctor.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I haven't been feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I've had a headache and a sore throat for the past 2 days.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a slight fever since yesterday.
Have you taken any medicine?
Just some painkillers, but they didn't help much.
Okay. Do you also have a cough or runny nose?
Yes, I have a small cough.
Let me check your temperature and throat. Please open your mouth and say, ah. Your throat looks a little red. Your temperature is slightly high.
Is it serious?
No, it looks like a common cold or mild flu. You just need some rest and proper medicine.
That's a relief.
I'll prescribe some tablets for your fever and sore throat. Drink plenty of water and avoid cold drinks.
How many times a day should I
Twice a
take
day
the
after
medicine?
meals for 5 days.
Okay. Should I stay home from work?
Yes, I recommend resting for at least 2 days.
Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. If you don't feel better in 3 days, please come back.
I will. Thank you, doctor.
Take care and get well soon.